Yo, what's good people? It's your boy Liam is loyal, back again with another reaction. And now we're taking it back to my home country, yeah? UK, England, yeah? We gotta do that, man. Because it's all been Sweden, Australia, French, German, Irish. Every now and again I gotta take it back to UK for a one-off kind of reaction thing. And this time it's Stormzy, aka Big Mike, aka Wicked Skeng man, aka the biggest rapper in the fucking country. Real talk. See, Stormzy, I don't really listen to him that much, but I like him as a person. I think he's a humble brother. I think he's talented, yeah? I think he represents the UK. Yeah, he's not trying to beg it like these other men. And yeah, he's got bars, man. He is talented. I'm just not really a grime fan, hence why I don't really listen to him. You get me? But I'm more of a rap fan, more of a street fan, street rap, street music. But I love all rap, man, especially UK. I put on for the UK, bro. But yeah, come on, let's check it out. So this is Stormzy's new song. It's called Sounds of the Skeng. Coming, Big Mike. Is he gonna be coming with fire this time? Well, we're gonna find out, innit? And I'm gonna give my honest opinion, as always. Let's check it though. An education. Man's just sipping that pina colada or whatever the fuck that is. Always got your sliders on, and you know what? I'm gonna tell you the visuals are gonna be a mad thing. Like, I can tell already. Look at that shot there. Look at the shot. Aye, we know what's gonna be. This ain't no hood video, fam. This is big money thing.
And it's like 5 whole years on the circuit. Every single year I work it. Every single year. I switch floors, they jerk it. I flip more than reverse it. Told bro reimburse it. I just hope that it's worth it. Cause if it's like a bitch, I think I'm making it.
Yeah, the beat's hard, man. It's not even like proper grimy. To me it sounds more drum and bass, innit? And you know what? I fuck with drum and bass and rap. See like that AJ Tracy Labrador Grove song? Yeah, I fucked with that one. This has got like a drum and bass vibe to it too, man.
Oh, that's worth it. Cause if it's like a bitch, I think I'm making it. I'ma make it look perfect. Kind of probably deserves it. See, old school might just splurge it. Please don't let him resurface.
Boy.
I go the furthest, and then they giving the hardest. And I burn all my bad nights. Off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with the babes, I'm burst. Man just bad up the place and merge. Then man lift up a waist, man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my 2 hands work. I know that I know I'm
Look at the visuals, man. Look at the visuals. 6 hands. 6 arms.
lift up a waist and skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my 2 hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. So allow me again, this that sounds of the skeng. I move.
Allow me again, this that sound of the skeng, man's like allow me again, that's that sound of the skeng, but. Oi, Big Mike in the fucking building.
Found my friends style with a pen, don't start howling again. My dogs are different, nigga, I miss the skeng.
Hey.
Big Mike don't need no assistance.
I'm loving the visuals, by the way. Fucking loving the visuals.
Please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. You man just love begging it too much. You man love the Americans too much.
But never been a realer word spoken, a realer line spat. You man just love begging it too much. You man love the Americans too much. I see it all the time, man. I see it all the time. I'm a big fan of Link Up. I'm a big fan of GRM. I'm a big fan of all these platforms. But a lot of the time, man, a lot of these rappers, they just beg the Americans, fam, like differently. And you know why Stormzy's the biggest in the... Look, there's no coincidence, yeah, that the 2 biggest rappers in the country are Skepta and Stormzy. You know why? Because they're authentic, they're original, and they keep it British. They're representing Great Britain, you feel me? There's other rappers that could be bigger than what they are, but they just fucking jump on America's dick too much, you feel me? So it will never happen. I guarantee you the Americans will respect Stormzy and will fuck with Stormzy and Skeppy more because they keep it original. But when they see next rappers trying to beg their own style, it's a bit different, isn't it? Shout out to Stormzy, fam. And we're wheeling it back. That deserves a wheel back.
So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. You man just just love begging it too much. You man love the Americans too much. I do the most, but it's never been too much. Go coast to coast and I never get moved up. Facts. We talking raps. We talking plaques or stats. I rude, but you do the maths. I look in the south, but I live in the sticks now. We live in the south, but they think I'm a prick now.
I'm from the south, but I've been. Yeah, I'm from the south, but I live in the sticks now. Yeah, I've been about, man, I think I'm a prick now. Oi, Big Mike coming with a flow switch, innit? Fucking flow switch.
More money and a couple of bricks now. Big for my boot, but it's funny it fits now. The sauce don't stick to my swag and drips now. You niggas thought you were bad, you pissed now. Cause that boy got to the bag, you rich now. I hope you niggas know what it is now. But man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with the babes, I'm burst.
Man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man will leave with your bait and stuff. Man will kick off your face like bruh. Visuals are too fucking much, man. This ain't no 20 man in the video on the block, fam. This is real video shit. Creative shit.
Bad up the place and murk. Them man lift up a waist and skirt. You man ain't even entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my two hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. Allow me again, this that. Sounds of the Skeng. I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again. My dogs are different. Nigga run Mr. Skeng, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. Name a nigga that's.
Please give a nigga some distance. Let a nigga do this consistent. Yo, this is a rave tune, man. This is something that you play in a rave and you know what it is, man. Turn up.
This on point, throws, wrist on point, for the trolls, fist on point. Get your pose in your list on point. Wait there, little niggas wanna diss this track. They're trying to figure out what is this track. Me and Flipper come and flip this track.
Man like flips, that's his right hand man, innit? And I fuck with you now, bro. You got the Man United top on. Yeah, we're shit, but it's a ride or die thing, innit? How long have I been with these man? 20 years? 20 years and counting, and we are absolutely bollocks. But yeah.
Come and flip this track. What's this big like miss this track? Little niggas can't hit this track. And I knew it was a bang when I ripped this track.
Must be flick like Mr. Joint.
Man talk dirt on my name, but the truth is they're not realistic. Bigger in person, whipping excursion. My niggas whip this track. Don't talk like President flips this track. Real niggas gonna dick this track. But man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with the face, I'm burst. Man just bad up the place and murk. Them man lift up a waist and skirt. You man ain't even entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know what two hands work. I know. Do man dirt. Allow me again, this that.
Sounds of the Skeng.
And I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again. My dogs are different. Nigga run.
Visuals, man. I keep saying that because they're too cold for him.
Spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent.
Yeah, the beat's Shelly, man. The beat is fucking Shelly though still. He looks like he's about to go golfing or some shit. Okay. Shout to Murky Records, yeah. Hashtag Murky Records. That was man like Stormzy, Wicked Skeng, man. Big Mike in the fucking building was his new song, Sounds of the Skeng, innit? I actually like that one. That's one of my better songs that I've heard from Stormzy. One of my favourite ones that I've heard from Stormzy. I prefer it to Vossi Bop. I prefer it to... Because a lot of the stuff is chart music, fam, innit? But I like this one. I like this one still. Shout out to Stormzy, bro. Keep doing your thing. Keep smashing it, man. Sky's the limit, fam. Thanks for watching the reaction. Yeah, and if you fuck with me, subscribe, follow the Instagram, and all of that. Peace.